How's it going, viewers? So next car to show up, my pride and joy, my Crown Victoria LX Sport. Now mods in this one. These are the tinted out headlights, and it's full LED. Unfortunately, I'm waiting on the resistor to come in, so I can stop having hyper flash. Ugh. We'll be doing a little swap on this grill soon, trying to get the sooty grill on her. But as you can see, everything is LED. Now she's due for a paint job. Most of this is done by the prior owner, and as you can see here, this is not dirt. This is just for being a city car. She has 125 on her, but she still acts like she's brand new. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, magnets. She's in very good shape for her age. Again, these taillights are mods bought online. The bumper here will be replaced as well because there's a crack there, and I unfortunately damaged her a little more because one very, very long day I hit this guy. Right now she's a little dirty. I haven't driven her in a few days. Oh, door code works. I'm not showing you the code. Prior owner left these in here from his I forgot what Volkswagen. We got nice black leather seats, all electric. Believe it or not, the key actually works. Trunks will pop open, no problem. 158. That was about 25 off. We have a nice little Rexing dash cam up here, forward and rear. Let's even get it in a shot. There it is. It's all wired up and vertical. Car is very solid. Nice little centerline shifter. All my paperwork and a little phone charger. Had a fun problem. For some reason, the AC controls were not working, and I only had it coming out of here. Still a problem to where I can't get any AC out. Have to fix that soon. It might either be a relay, the compressor, or fuck knows. But in order to fix this thing, make it blow out all the vents, I had to rerun a wire. I'll show you that in a little bit because I haven't fully finished removing the old one. I have all my equipment here. You see it back there. That's the for the Rexing and for my GPS. I like seeing wires. This is the only wire I will have shown. I'm OCD like that. Oh, this here is actually from a sticker I shot off in my other car. It just unfortunately decided to stick to my poor Vic here. I'll have to clean that better later. Here's the rear. That's not a police radio. That's just a CB.
Dusk in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot.
Yeah. Oh, unfortunately my seat is starting to shed. So I'm kind of pissed off about that. Just some work gloves. That's appropriate. I have a pig in the Crown Vic. There. Okay. I don't know where it came from, but I'm keeping it. It's too funny not to. Fortunately, the pistons are a little weak on her, like all the old Crown Vics. Hate doing this shit. Oop. Trusty 4.6. Gonna pause. Alright, sorry about that. Neighbors walking by. Didn't want to bother them. So, I have to rerun all the wires up here. That's the old wires. But you can see it's kind of cat and dog for right now. Just until I do a little finalization. So my clutch is not engaging, so I'm guessing either relay or compressor. Figure that one out eventually. Ooh, that's blurry as shit. Why I was like that. Yeah, there's the bad hosing I did. Let's turn her over. Right, Christ, the battery's dead. I'm gonna be a little pissed off. A little squeaky. The tensioner on her, put her in my first quarter. It starts, runs, and drives beautifully. And I love about these older cars. You just can't beat that sound. That she's warmed up. Maybe how much quieter she gets. Oh yeah, the trunk. A little squeak back here, I don't know what that's from. We got a little junk back here because I use the car a lot. Road flares, the 5-disc CD changer still works. And my little add-on to this, if you can tell from the other side, actually, there you go, a little better. That's the 17-inch rims, not the donut. Well, not donut, or the, oh fucker, spare. This thing's original spare was a 16, and I have 17s, and you don't want to ride down with mismatched wheels, even for a temporary amount of time. Can't show the tail lights right now, unfortunately, but you can still see the one. There it is, the LED. Got burned out for a second there. More neighbors showing up. Yeah, that's my Crown Vic for you. Trusty. Oh, I forgot. For the donut. eBay $50 special and a junkyard tire. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll show my Dodge Ram probably next. Here's a little extra for you. The first 3 photos are when I first bought the car. Different plates, you can tell. And then we have the headlight swap out, some group shots, and some detailing work that was done.